income program and is something that is more common. It's common in the electric utility industry, the gas industry, and a lot of water agencies do it. So it's something for the board to consider. Next slide. This particular slide is the actual, if you go to our website and you click on it and they show you what our rate looks like, this is what you see on our website. You see the 3 tiers that the 1 to 10 units, 11 to 50 units, and over 51 units. And this is what they pay. At the end of the day, each unit, there's not a lot of difference, variability for what you pay. At the end of the day, under this particular scenario, it's $196.97. This particular customer would be getting 52,360 gallons of water during a month. That's a heck of a lot of water. That's more than most of our customers use, but the reason this is put on our website is so it covers all 3 tiers so a customer understands what it is. I want you to note that the actual cost for water is less than 4 cents for 10 gallons of water. So it's a heck of a bargain what you get.
Bargain, yes.
For 4 cents, you get 10 gallons of water. It's quite a deal. Next slide. So we thought we'd wanted to put it to the test and see how do we stack up with all our surrounding utilities. What we see here is that when we sorted it from low to high, our current rate is number 2 on our list. So we're actually the second to the lowest. For that same bill, as I showed you, it's $196.97. With our proposed rate change that you see, it'll only go up from $196.97 to $202.49. A lot of that change is there's $1 for the meter charge, and there's a little bit of additional amount for consumption in the second and third tiers. But still, when we get rid of the sort, we still are very, very low compared to everybody else. The average of all the utilities is $249.55.
Yep.
Take a look at Fontana Water, for
Fontana,
example. They're at $397.01 for the same thing that we'll be providing for $202.49.
Now, Bill, is there an extra 0 in that cent column? Because the way I look at it, isn't that like 1/3 of a cent?
It is 1/3 of a cent. What I've done is I've converted it from 1/3 of a cent to 10 gallons so that you can better read.
Okay, so per gallon.
It's
then.
per
Okay,
gallon.
gotcha.
It's 1/3 of a cent. So what I did is I changed it to 10 gallons so it's easier to say 10 gallons for 4 cents.
Okay,
It's easier for people to understand than saying I'm paying only 1/3 of a cent.
gotcha. Okay,
That's
now
why-
I get it. Now,
That's
yeah.
that's why I did it that
Yeah,
way.
it's like that didn't look right.
Yeah. No, it was done that way too.
No, I get it now. Yeah, because you got the 2 columns, so I'm with you now.
So, Bill, on this slide here, you have Beaumont Cherry Valley Water District being the cheapest, but probably the highest in the 1-inch meter service charge.
That's correct.
Can you explain that?
I can't explain how they design their meter charge. I do know it's very high. It's about 70% of